Today I'm going to show you how to create beautiful high-converting pop-ups completely for free right on your WordPress site using the Hustle plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a custom pop-up live and working, ready to grow your email list or make big announcements, all without spending a dime or feeling overwhelmed by complicated tools. Let's jump in and get started. Our journey starts by installing the Hustle plugin, which has been a favorite for WordPress users year after year, especially because it gives you premium features like exit intent triggers and advanced design options, all in the free version. So in your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Plugins section on the left, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Hustle, look for the plugin by WPMU-DEV. Once you've found it, hit Install Now and give it a few seconds to do its thing. When the button changes, click Activate, and just like that, Hustle is ready to use. This step is crucial since plugins add new tools to WordPress and need to be both installed and activated before they'll show up anywhere. Now that you've got Hustle up and running, look for the new Hustle menu in your sidebar. Go ahead and click it and then select Pop-ups. Here, where all your future pop-ups will live, click that bright Create button. You'll be prompted to name your pop-up something descriptive like Winter Sale or Newsletter Sign-up is perfect so you can keep things organized. Next, choose the type of pop-up you want. If your goal is to capture emails and grow your newsletter, select Email Opt-in. If you just want to share an announcement or welcome message, go with Informational. Choosing the right type helps Hustle set things up for your exact goal. With the basics set, it's time to make your pop-up look great. Hustle offers a range of pre-designed templates, which is a huge time saver and makes it beginner-friendly. Browse the options and pick one that fits your website's style or the message you want to get across. When you find one you like, click Choose Template. This will open Hustle's Visual Builder, where you can see live changes. Think of it like decorating your digital front door, where you get instant feedback as you edit. Customizing your pop-up's content and design comes next. Take your time here, every little detail counts. Start by editing the headline to grab attention, tweak your subheadline for clarity, and rewrite the main body to suit your offer or message. If you want to add personality or branding, upload your logo or a crisp background image. This really sets your pop-up apart and keeps your site looking professional. If you're gathering emails, this is the moment to connect Hustle with your email service, like MailChimp or HubSpot. You'll find this option in the Integrations tab, a one-time link that means future signups flow straight to your lists. Finally, dive into the palette settings. Adjust your colors, fonts, and borders so the pop-up matches your website. Even small changes can make a pop-up feel like a seamless part of your brand. Now let's control when and where the pop-up appears. This is key for getting results without annoying your visitors. In the Triggers section, choose when your pop-up should pop. On page load with a short delay like 5 seconds works well for welcoming newcomers, while on click is perfect for linking to a button or menu. For maximum conversions, try Exit Intent, which only triggers when someone's about to leave, great for capturing lost leads without being intrusive. Under Visibility, you can show your pop-up everywhere or only on certain posts or categories. This means you could welcome new blog readers but not interrupt shoppers mid-checkout. Take a moment here, it's worth thinking about your visitors' experience. Finally, once you've double-checked everything, head to the top right and click Publish. That's it, your pop-up is live and working. You can preview your site to see it in action, tweak it as you learn what works, and rest easy knowing you have awesome promo power totally free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into tricky spots. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more practical WordPress guides like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.